Goat farming isn't just for homesteaders anymore. More and more people are turning to goats for meat, milk, for profit. And right now, the goat farming business is way up. In the US, goat meat demand skyrocketing. Ethnic communities across the country are driving demand. African, Caribbean, Latinos, and South Asian families all want fresh local goat meat. Most of that demand is still met through imports, which means there's real opportunity here for farmers like me and maybe like you. In my area, goat meat sells for over $12 a pound. One goat, well raised, can bring in $200 to $400 in profit. That's serious income from a small acreage. Goats are one of the best livestock choices for beginners. You don't need 50 acres, just solid fencing and a few good does to start. They thrive on land most folks overlook. Bush, weeds, low quality pasture. Goat clean it up and turn it into profit. And their manure, it's compost gold. I use it to fertilize my organic veggie beds right here on the farm. Black farmers, goat farming is more than just business. It's ancestral. Our people raised goats for centuries. Back when land meant survival, reclaiming that today is about food, land, and legacy. I started Natural No Farm with just a few goats, a vision, and a lot of sweat. Now I'm building something I can pass on. And watching that herd grow, it's more than rewarding, it's healing. Thinking of starting a herd? Here's what I've learned. 1. Invest in fencing. Goats will find a way out if you let them. 2. Manage parasites early. Learn to rotate pastures and build up your soil. 3. Go easy on the grain. It's expensive and not what goats evolved to eat. They are browsers. They love brush. And 4. Start small. Get to know your goats, your land, and your market. Then build slow and steady. Goat farming is on a rise because it works. It's practical, sustainable, and deeply rewarding. You can build an entire business from a small herd, meat, milk, breeding stock, compost, you name it. If you've been thinking about it, this is your sign. Now is the time. Subscribe to follow our journey here at Natural No Farm. Drop a comment if you raise goats or if you're thinking about it. We are building something real and we want to bring you with us.